Well, it's official. Happy New Year, everyone. It's 2024. Gosh, it's been an amazing year. Um, Starting off with the ZimWriter and meeting Matt and everyone else in the last couple of years. Been amazing. Made a lot of really good friends. I created the ZimWriter training, the SEO training camp, helping people learn more about how to use ZimWriter. And in this journey, I've really found out a lot of people really don't understand search engine optimization, what it really is, and some what I thought were basic principles. A lot of people have asked to learn things about prompt engineering and all sorts of stuff, even things they don't really understand. They throw terms together, maybe because English isn't their first language. I don't really know. So that leads me to this. After spending hundreds of hours over 4 months with the crew or inside team, whatever people refer to it as, we were only getting 4.5, maybe 5 hours sleep a night. Not really normal for the people in the crew, but it seemed like every week we'd discuss something new, how to apply it, how corporations do SEO. And it's been an amazing journey for me. Some things were new to me, some things I've already applied, or some things I've known about, just never made use of myself. But I finally decided to start taking action, both for myself and clients, and made some really good friends, showing and teaching exactly what I know about ranking and how to rank, and how few tools are actually necessary. One gentleman in the group saves about $1,000 a month now by not paying all these SaaSes and fees and tools that, didn't really benefit his ranking. Now, as an agency owner, using just a few things I've taught, he doesn't even use all the things we've discussed. Just a few. And it's already made such a monumental change in his own agency. I'm really tired. I was up till about 4:30 this morning. We had a lot going on. We had fireworks, and just the city was amazing. Beautiful last night. So later today, I actually begin the official recordings for everything. There's a lot to cover. With a thankful for Dave for helping outline this all out. There's a lot of talking points, a lot of techniques, and so with the help of Gary and Dave and Michael, everyone else in the group, thank you all for your support. It's been a heck of a journey. So my goal is to create one video a day. I'm going to talk about a little bit things here in the morning. I'll put a little video up on YouTube, kind of explain what the plan is for the day. And then I will create a video that day, as well as a second part of it that evening with the team and a guest or two from the group. And I am so tired, but I'm so excited to do this, you guys. It may not sound like it. Oh my goodness, I need to wake up. Wifey's bringing me some coffee and tea, so I can't complain about that. Anyhow, Happy New Year's, guys. Really, really Happy New Year's. I don't know if Matt still is doing his LTD, but if it's still on Gumroad, grab the LTD, man. Like, seriously. So people are asking about what's in the new course. Out of everything I just said, I do have some goodies coming. Michael's been programming, and Ken, and everyone's been trying to chip in and do some amazing things. Those who purchase the course before February 1st get access to some free tools and access to this that we have in our SaaS that's coming out later in later. Yeah. So I guess that's it for now. I think I think it's going to be amazing 2024. I've made such good friends. It's um, already had an effect upon their life. It's time to step it up. Let's improve their lives even more. And if you want to join the journey, please join the SEO Training Camp Facebook group. Check out mastercoursereviews.com. Look at the treasure map. And everyone was always talking about me dropping gold nuggets everywhere. So I thought treasure map was a great way. So grab your pitchforks and shovels and let's go find some nuggets together, you guys. Thank you very much for your time. I really do appreciate it. And we'll see you guys soon.